So this is what laundry detergent does in the dishwasher? Yeah, Purex. Kalia, did you see all the bubbles?
No. Wait, it's on my iPod?
No? Come look what Daddy did.
Oh my. How did it
Do I need to, like, wow, this is like overflowed, honey.
Please, can you get 30 towels for my bathroom, bedroom?
That's not good.
I have to wear my sandals. I'm going to wear my sandals for that.
Hey.
Well, oh my gosh. How are we going to get all that up? Do you think that wet dry vac will work?
Which one?
I don't know, the one that's in the garage.
The blue one?
Wow. Now, he knew he put it in it because look, there's dishes up there. And then he couldn't get it out, so he just ran it through a cycle. Unbelievable. This is not good. Oh, well.